Welcome to PlayBot. In this video, we'll learn how to create and publish a bot. First, in the dashboard, click on the workflow icon to create our bot. Then, click the Create button in the Bot Builder page. The app will prompt you to select the type of bot. We'll choose the Service Conversation option and click Save. Now, we're in the bot creation storyboard with the starting point. Let's create a bot to ask for feedback about PlayBot from customers. First, rename the bot. Drag the user message starting point into the storyboard. We have a list of message types. In my case, I'll choose WhatsApp template and select the template I need from the already created template list. This template has 4 option buttons. If the user selects Loved it, I want to thank the customer and ask for more feedback to improve PlayBot. Once I receive a reply from the user, I'll thank them again. I want to connect the same flow for the It was good option too. If the user chooses Need improvements, I'll add another text node and ask for suggestions. Once I receive a reply, I'll thank them and connect this node to the already created thank you message node. Finally, if the user chooses Not happy, I'll apologize and ask for suggestions. After receiving a reply, I'll say thank you, so connect to the existing thank you node. That's it. We've created our bot. Now, click Publish button to make bot live and test it. A QR code will appear for testing the bot. On your mobile device where you have the WhatsApp app installed, open the scanner app and scan the code. This will redirect you to WhatsApp with a pre-filled start message containing some Unicode to PlayBot's account number. Simply send this code. Yes, now your WhatsApp is connected to our created bot. You'll receive auto replies based on your input that we created in the bot section. That's it. Thank you.